Hello everyone, welcome to this quick Pro Tools tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can convert a MIDI file into an audio file without exporting or bouncing the MIDI file. If you're new to Pro Tools and you're wondering how certain tasks are done, then this video is for you. So in this session, I have a very simple drum MIDI track just for demonstration purposes, and this is what it sounds like. And you want to convert this file into audio. If you're wondering how to convert this without exporting the file or without bouncing to disk, there's a very simple way to do that. Very simply open up an audio track. In this case, I've already opened up a stereo audio track, and make sure it's stereo for drum mix. And all you have to do is select the track and drag it down to the audio file, just like this. And now you have your drum track as an audio file. And this can be applied to any MIDI track. So there you go. A very simple trick, and I hope it helps. Thanks for watching.